You know, I didn't know how deep it was.
Hey, Michael, where'd you get the design for the raft?
We just started drawing. It originally was we were going to pedal boat it, like with a pedal mount, and then have this be our luggage. But then it became, the pedal boat, they have a motor for it, so we had to get like a haul number and all that other stuff. So then as long as we keep this under 14 feet, we didn't have to get it registered or anything. We just keep it going. But yeah, the boys and I sat down and we designed it, built it in the garage.
Have you tested it?
Right now.
Woo! All right.
Good trip. Thank you.
Looks like fun.
Make sure you guys can use this to steer us, okay? I'm gonna get up ahead of it.
That's classic.
Yeah!
Woo!
Bye.
Huck Finn is jealous.
Hold on, we gotta wait for him to get out.